Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nurmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing and hands-on with the Mi True Wireless Earphones 2. So this is announced last week and this is priced 3,999. This is an offer pricing and it comes with actually 14.2 mm powerful driver, dynamic driver, and this is actually tuned for India market, and the environmental noise cancellation is there. Then works with voice assistant, easy one-step pairing, and you can see this is how it looks. So we're going to unbox this first, then we'll show you what comes inside the box, and then we'll pair it with our smartphone, and we'll tell you our first impressions, how good the bass performance is, how good the mids, highs are. So we'll test all this. So this is the product. We have the technical specifications available here. So everything is mentioned here. Bluetooth 5.0, and the battery charging case is 250 mAh, and earphones are 30 mAh, and the charging port is type C, and you can see all the other details as well. And this has a pricing of 3,999. So let's get started with unboxing. So we'll just open the box and then we'll go ahead showing you what all comes inside the box. So here we can see the TWS, earphones. So let's just take this out. So that's the earphones. So let's just keep it here. Then we'll see what all comes inside the box package. So we have the charging cable. It's a USB type C charging cable. It's a Mi branded cable. Then we have the manual and warranty information. So this is the user manual on how to pair it with your smartphone, or you can see what all functions it has. So indicator light, there is a function button, type C charging, then primary microphone at the bottom, secondary microphone at the top for calls. Then what else you can see here, all the instructions on how to pair it, everything is mentioned here. And how to make calls and all those things are also mentioned here. So that's all inside the box. Now let's open the earphones and see how it looks. So that's the Mi True Wireless Earphones. So the box package is extremely small. You can see it's very small, and we have this button here. The charging port is at the bottom, and now let's open this and see. You can see this is the earphone. So it looks pretty good in terms of the fit and finish. Just taking this out. So there you go. So you can see the charging ports at the bottom. So that's how it charges. So this is the charging port at the bottom. So this is the earphone. So let's see how this performs. So let's just pair this with our smartphone. So now you can see that just connecting, pairing it with the Mi wireless earphone. So just the pairing request. Now it's successfully paired. You can see that now it's paired. Now let's listen to some songs here. So we'll just take this out. So you can see that the build quality looks good. This is a matte finish here, and towards the ear part you can see that this has a glossy finish, and the stem is kind of slightly thicker side. You can see that it's a bit thicker stem, and you have the speakers here, and it looks quite good. Now let's just use it. So now we have paired this earphones and we have used it for some time, and in our first impression we would say that the sound quality looks definitely good. We haven't tested much, so unless we test it more we can't say how good the quality is, but initial impression definitely looks good. The bass performance definitely is good. Xiaomi claims to be having this earphone is claimed to have punchy bass because of the 14.2 mm large dynamic drivers. So true to its claims, the bass performance did look good in our initial testing. We had to test more with different soundtracks to see how the bass performance is, how the mids and highs are. So that we'll analyze once we are done with our detailed review. So that will take some time. But in the meantime, we'll just highlight what are the features. So there is a wear detection available. So these are sensors. So once you wear it on your ears, it starts the playback, and when you remove it, it automatically detects this using the sensors, and it stops the playback. Now it comes with LHDC support. So that means you get really good sound quality. LHDC Bluetooth high definition tone is included here, and apart from that you also get touch control. So double tapping on the right one gives you the option to play or pause the song. If you want to accept calls, just tap on it. That's how you take the calls. Now on the left one, if you double tap, you get the Google Assistant. So those are the controls available. The bottom section has this charging option. Now initial impressions, the sound quality definitely looked good, but we have to test it more to ascertain how good the quality is. So that was unboxing and hands-on with the Mi True Wireless Earphones 2, which was announced recently for a price of 3,999. And if you plan to buy these earphones, you can get it from mi.com, Flipkart or Amazon, and you can even buy it from local Mi stores. So that was the unboxing, hands-on, and with the Mi True Wireless Earphones 2. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.